Welcome to today's daily message. Continuing our reflection on the rebelliousness of Jesus, I want to discuss briefly today another aspect of Jesus' preaching and ministry that display his rebellious spirit, and that is his spirit of radical equality. Jesus, as we know from our reflection on the Gospels, treated every single person he encountered as an equal. Even those people who were considered unacceptable, outcasts by the rest of society. And so he dealt with lepers, with Samaritans, with tax collectors, with Romans and women and children, and treated all of them as equals. And why did he do that? Where did his spirit of equality spring from? It sprang from his faith that because God created each and every human being has equal dignity, and every human being Jesus considered to be a brother or a sister. So why is this spirit of equality by Jesus rebellious? Well, it's because it stood in such stark contrast to the attitude of the Romans. The Romans considered no other culture to be their equals. And so Jesus believed that the love and the solidarity engendered by treating each and every person as an equal would eventually overcome the prejudice and discrimination practiced by the Romans, and therefore would help to usher in God's reign, God's sovereignty in Israel and over the whole earth. Thank you once again for watching, and have a wonderful day today.